Is your Gmail not working? Emails not sending, not receiving, or the app just won't open? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you the most effective ways to fix Gmail not working problem on Android. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to TechWash. First, make sure your internet is work properly. Open a browser to your choice. Type internet speed test. Wait a moment to test your internet speed. When you have bad internet, swipe down from top, turn aeroplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If Gmail is not receiving emails, sync may be turned off. Open Gmail app, tap three-dot menu, tap settings, select your email account, enable sync Gmail. Make sure background data is allowed. Now, go to settings, to apps, to Gmail. Tap force stop. Tap storage. Tap clear cache. Then tap clear data. Don't worry, your emails will not be deleted. Using an old Gmail version can cause errors. Open Play Store. Search for Gmail. If you have update, then update it. Restart your device and open Gmail again. And that's it. Your Gmail should be working perfectly now. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.